Over 94% of car owners have no idea what their car is actually capable of. Today, I'm revealing 18 hidden car features most drivers never discover in the entire time they own the vehicle. And feature number 1 is so useful you will genuinely wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. Let's get into it. Feature 18. The seatbelt height adjuster. There is a small slider on the pillar between your front doors that most drivers either ignore or have never noticed at all. That adjuster controls where the seatbelt crosses your body. When the belt sits across your neck instead of your shoulder, it is not just uncomfortable, it becomes dangerous in a crash. Your seatbelt is designed to spread force across your shoulder and chest, not your throat. Slide the adjuster up or down until the belt sits flat across your collarbone. This matters especially for shorter or taller drivers, since the factory default rarely fits everyone properly. And here's the part most people miss. Every time a different person drives your car, the ideal height changes. It is not a one-time adjustment. It should be checked every time the driver changes. Feature 17. The removable cup holder divider. That plastic piece splitting your cup holder in two looks like it is molded in place. It is not. On most vehicles, it pops right out. Pull it, and one cup holder becomes a wide slot for a large travel mug, a small bag, or your phone standing upright instead of sliding around every time you brake. Snap it back in when you want 2 standard holders. Some consoles even have 2 dividers stacked for 3 different configurations, depending on what you need that day. It is a 2-second trick most owners never discover in the life of the vehicle. Feature 16. The hidden umbrella holder. You have tossed a dripping wet umbrella onto the passenger seat more times than you can count. Some cars, mostly European models, come with a dedicated umbrella slot tucked into the door panel or under the seat. It includes a drainage channel that routes water straight out of the car so a soaking umbrella never leaves a puddle on your carpet. A few American and Asian models have started including them quietly as well. Check both door panels and under both front seats. The exact location varies by manufacturer. Once you find it, the dripping umbrella problem disappears permanently. Feature 15. The adjustable wiper nozzle you can fix with a pin. Your windshield washer fluid is spraying everywhere except where it should. Most drivers assume the nozzle is broken and pay a shop $50 to fix it. Here is what is actually happening. Inside each nozzle is a tiny ball joint that is fully adjustable with nothing more than a sewing needle. Slide the tip of the needle into the nozzle opening and apply light directional pressure to pivot the spray angle a few degrees at a time. Test after each adjustment until the spray lands dead center on the windshield. The entire fix takes about 30 seconds. It was never broken, it was just pointed the wrong way. Feature 14. Black dots on your windshield. That fading pattern of black dots along the edge of your windshield is not decoration. It is called the frit band. It blocks UV rays from breaking down the adhesive holding your windshield in place and manages heat distribution during manufacturing so the glass does not crack. It also softens the harsh visual line between the dark border and the clear glass to reduce eye strain. If you have ever had a windshield replaced, a mismatched frit band can be a sign of a lower quality aftermarket glass job. It is a genuinely clever piece of engineering, hiding in a spot most people assume is purely cosmetic. Feature 13. The rain sensor. Your wipers either swipe frantically in a light drizzle or fall completely behind in a real downpour. Most drivers have no idea that behavior is adjustable. Many cars let you fine-tune rain sensor sensitivity through a small dial near the steering column or through the infotainment menu. An optical sensor detects raindrop size and frequency and adjusts wiper speed automatically, but the sensitivity threshold is something you can control. Dial it in once and your wipers stop guessing. It is worth revisiting seasonally since sensitivity that feels right in spring drizzle can feel completely wrong during a heavy summer storm. Feature 12. The defogging trick. Your windshield fogs up and you instinctively crank the heat and hit recirculation. That is the exact opposite of what works. Turn recirculation off so your car pulls in drier, outside air. Turn the AC on at the same time, even in cold weather. Fog is just cabin humidity condensing on cold glass. Recirculating that same damp air keeps feeding the problem. Dry outside air plus AC to pull the moisture out clears the glass in a fraction of the time. It feels wrong the first time you try it, right up until it works almost instantly. Feature 11. The key fob tricks. Most drivers use their fob for locking and unlocking and nothing else. If your fob signal feels weak across a big parking lot, holding it against your head genuinely extends the range because the water in your skull acts as a conductor for the radio signal. On many cars, holding the unlock button for a few seconds rolls every window down remotely, letting the trapped heat escape before you even open the door. And nearly every fob has a physical backup key hidden inside, released by a small latch on the side. slide it, and the metal key comes out. No battery required. That one trick alone could save you from calling a locksmith. Before we get to the features that will genuinely surprise you, hit that like button. A lot of research goes into these videos and every like helps us keep making them. Feature 10. The correct tire pressure location. You check the number printed on your tire sidewall and inflate to that. That number is wrong for your car. The sidewall number is the tire's maximum pressure rating, not your vehicle's recommended pressure. Inflating to maximum gives you a harsher ride, less grip, and uneven wear. The number you actually want is on a sticker inside your driver's door jamb, calculated specifically for your vehicle's weight and suspension. A $5 tire gauge kept in your glove box makes this a habit instead of a chore. It takes 1 minute to check and most drivers never spend that minute. Feature 9. The floor mat hooks. Those little hooks under your floor mat are not decorative. They are anchor points designed to lock the mat in place so it cannot slide forward and bunch up over your gas or brake pedal. In the worst case, an unsecured mat can trap the accelerator down entirely. This is not theory. Unsecured floor mats have triggered some of the largest safety recalls in automotive history. Slide the mat onto the hooks and the problem disappears. Check it every time you clean the car. It takes less time than the accident it prevents. Feature 8. The cabin air filter scent trick. That musty smell from your vents every time the AC kicks on is not the carpet. It is the cabin air filter sitting behind the glove box. Every bit of air blowing through your vents passes through it first. Here is the trick. When you change the filter, add 1 or 2 drops of essential oil onto it before sliding it back in. Every time the AC or heater runs, a faint pleasant scent circulates through the entire cabin. A little goes a long way. Soaking the filter can clog it faster, so keep it light. Lighter scents like citrus or peppermint work best. It is the kind of upgrade detailers charge extra for, and you can do it yourself for free. Feature 7. The auto lock on walkaway. You walk away from your car, get halfway to the door, and turn back around to double check the locks. Your car may already have a feature that handles this automatically. When your key fob leaves the car's sensor range, many modern vehicles lock every door on their own. Some flash the lights to confirm. The setting is usually buried a few menus deep under vehicle or door settings in your infotainment system. Once it is switched on, the nagging "did I lock it" feeling stops happening entirely. It is one setting change that quietly pays off every single day for as long as you own the car. Feature 6. The rear defroster that also clears your mirrors. Your side mirrors are frosted solid on a cold morning, and you are outside scraping them by hand. Hit the rear defrost button inside the car and watch your mirrors clear up too. On most vehicles, the side mirror heaters are wired on the same circuit as the rear defroster. One button does the work of 3 separate scraping sessions. Some models even extend the same heating to the wiper park area, loosening ice stuck to the blades. Once you know about this, standing outside with a scraper feels completely unnecessary. Feature 5. The manual fuel door release. Your battery is dead. Your fuel door is electronic. You are standing at the pump with an empty tank and no way to open it. Most cars have a manual backup, a small lever or cable tucked in the trunk or under the driver's seat, completely separate from the dash button. It is purely mechanical, so it works even when every electronic system in the car is down. Find it now before you are standing at a gas station with no options. Your owner's manual shows the exact location. A 2-minute check in your driveway eliminates guessing under pressure later. Feature 4. The self-diagnostic port. Your check engine light comes on and your first thought is a diagnostic fee at the shop. Find the OBD2 port tucked under the dashboard near the steering column. A plug-in scanner costing $15 to $25 connects to that port and pulls the exact trouble code your mechanic would charge $80 to $150 to read. Many scanners pair with a free phone app that translates the code into a plain language explanation on your screen. Before you pay anyone to diagnose the problem, you already know what triggered the light. Some auto parts stores will even read the code for free. Owning a $15 scanner pays for itself the very first time a warning light appears. Feature 3. The underseat storage compartment. Many SUVs, trucks, and sedans have a hidden compartment tucked under the driver or passenger seat that most owners never discover. Lift the seat cushion or pull the release tab, and you have space for tools, documents, or valuables you want out of sight in a parking lot. Some versions include a small tray or divider so loose items stay organized. It costs nothing to check, and it takes 1 minute to find out whether yours has one. Look under both front seats since not every model puts the compartment in the same spot. Feature 2. The gas pedal reset trick. Your throttle feels jerky or hesitant after a battery disconnect or repair. The car's computer has lost its memory of the pedal's resting position. Here is the reset. With the car off, turn the key to the on position, so the dashboard lights up but the engine stays off. Turn it back to off. Repeat that cycle 3 times ending on off. On the final cycle, turn the key to on and press the gas pedal all the way down. Hold for 10 seconds. Release slowly. Turn the key off. Wait 30 seconds, then start the car normally. A rough idle for the first minute is normal as the computer relearns the baseline. A 5-minute reset in your driveway fixes what would otherwise send you to a service counter. Exact steps vary slightly by brand, so check your owner's manual first. Try this before paying for a throttle body cleaning that might not even be necessary. Feature 1. The hands-free trunk. Both arms full of groceries. No free hand to press the button. On many newer vehicles, if your key fob is in your pocket or bag, a simple kicking motion under the rear bumper pops the trunk open automatically. The sensor is tuned to detect that specific motion, so it will not trigger from a shopping cart or a dog sniffing around your bumper. Some systems let you close the trunk the same way so your hands never touch anything at all. Once you have used it a handful of times, reaching for a physical button feels like a step backward. Some models let you adjust the sensor sensitivity, which is worth doing if it is triggering too easily or not responding at all. It is one of those features that quietly changes how you think about every trip to the car. How many of those did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you the most. If this video just saved you a trip to the mechanic or taught you something you wish you knew years ago, hit subscribe because your car has more secrets.